IT Vision is a technology-based company focused on managed services.
IT Vision's managed services work for a wide variety of customers. We do all sorts of businesses in many different verticals, from 10 computers up to thousands of computers. We provide managed services at a fixed cost so that our clients don't get any surprises, and it's very affordable.
What we figure is that we're going to take the time and money to invest in an infrastructure that allows us to do preventive maintenance on our clients' behalf. In other words, we try to eliminate downtime completely.
IT Vision has helped us with setting up new software that we've started using. They've helped in our monthly maintenance. Basically, we don't really have to worry much about anything as far as IT goes because it's taken care of. There's automated setup maintenance that happens to prevent problems from occurring. And I think that's the whole point of having this set up, is to prevent things from going wrong. Before IT Vision, our disaster recovery was non-existent, and so therefore when we had a disaster, we could not recover.
We use an integrated set of tools called Vision Pro that allows us to perform patch management, security checks, auditing, help desk ticketing, and also disaster recovery. Our customers do not have to wait around for an engineer to show up on site to actually fix the problem. We can connect remotely and securely to our customers' environments and basically work the problem out while the customer is standing by and looking at what we're doing.
Communication between IT Vision and our customers is secure. We use a 256-bit encryption that includes our remote access and any other communication we have with them.
Having our IT functioning the way it should function has helped with our productivity. If we didn't have a functioning network, we really couldn't do the things that we do every day. And we know that for a fact because we used to not have a functioning network.
One of the best things is we take a lot of stress out of a lot of people's jobs. IT and technical problems can be really stressful for people, and I love the fact that we actually eliminate that stress and allow companies to focus on their jobs so that they can grow.
IT Vision comes in and handles the IT technology side of a business, while the customer can focus on running their business.
I would recommend IT Vision for a number of reasons. First, they're knowledgeable, they're professional, they're accessible, and they communicate clearly in a way that a regular non-IT person can understand. The best part about working with IT Vision is that I don't even think about our IT.